especially our medal winners from India. Ang masasabi ko lang po, asahan nyo ang suporta namin dito. We will work very closely with PICAF, with the Philippine Sports Commission. Ang sabi ni Dr. Doc Pao, parang nasa 1/3 of schools pa lang ang naaabutan natin. So, we'll make a big push para maabot natin ang lahat ng 40,000+ schools para makilala nila yung Arnis the way you guys know Arnis, and you really made it popular, and hopefully ma-pick up yan sa lahat po ng parte ng bansa. Yan po ang gusto ng ating Pangulo, si President Bongbong Marcos, na talagang i-push yung sports dahil nakikita niya, napapansin niya na parang mas nagiging violente ang ating mga eskwelahan ngayon. The youth need an outlet. The youth need an outlet for their aggression, for their energies, at a positive outlet is sports. Kaya tayo, dahil sa suporta rin ng pamahalaan, nakakaproduce din tayo ng mga champions. And recently, naging sport sa palaro ang weightlifting. At ang coach natin is no less than gold medalist Heidelin Diaz. Siya mismo ang nag-alok ng kanyang servisyo. Meron tayong National Academy of Sports na dinagdagan po ng pondo noong panahon ni Senate President Mig Zubiri. Kaya maganda na pong building. Sana mapuntahan ninyo sa Kapas Tarlac. Yung konsepto nun, lahat ng elite athletes, the future Alex Ayalas, the future Manny Pacquiao's ay pwedeng i-train doon. Imbis na lahat ng atleta lalapit kay mayor, lalapit kay governor, lalapit kay kapitan, hihingi ng suporta, doon na po. Scholar na po sila ng gobyerno doon, gagastos ang gobyerno, pati yung dormitory nila, pati pagkain, pati yung coaching. Kaya nag-uusap po kami ni Chairman Pato at saka ni Senator Biggs. Kung gusto ninyo, gumawa tayo ng Arnis part na portion doon sa National Academy of Sports. Dahil ang vision doon sa batas na nung nasa Senado po kami nila Senator Biggs, nung ginawa namin yung batas sa National Academy of Sports, talagang gusto namin nationwide, hindi lang sa Luzon. Kaya in the future, nabanggit din po ni Chairman Pato na sa Mindanao, sa Cebu, meron tayong National Academy of Sports, including Arnis. So sana matuloy yan. At dun sa sinabi niya, meron na pong ito-donate na lupa. Pag nagsama-sama po lahat ng ahensya, it's no surprise na the Philippines is reaping the benefits dahil yung mga binhi niyan, the seeds were planted over the last 10 years, over the last 15 years. Kami ni Senator Biggs, ginawa rin po namin yung Athletes Incentives Law, Senator Biggs. Kaya yung gold medalist sa Olympics, I think may 10 million, may 5 million, at may bill ngayon to increase it actually. So I hope that bill passes kasi mas maraming naiinganyo mag-participate sa sports, to excel in sports. So, of course, it also secures our future. Dahil nakakalungkot, nakikita natin yung mga dating basketball player, dating boxing champion, naghihirap na po, naglilimos dahil hindi nila naplano yung kanilang financial future. Ayaw natin mangyari yung kaya ginagawa natin itong mga panukalang ito. So anyway, I wish you all the best. I thank you for the glory you have given our country, and I pay tribute to you because I know being an athlete, much less an elite athlete, requires a lot of discipline, a lot of hard work, a lot of perseverance, and of course, a lot of help from the Almighty and from the leaders of your community and of our country. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po mga atleta.